Rainy and yucky. I'm tired of yucky. Anyway, let's go inside and fix something. Well, I'm feeling lazy. How about some really, really lazy red beans and rice with some lazy smoked sausage? Will it work? Yeah, we'll find out. But I'm not completely going lazy. Instead of microwaving the sausage, we're going with the lean, mean, fat-reducing grilling machine. Thanks, George. Let's see how it comes out. But wait a minute. What's better than griddling or grilling? Cutting them in half so you get the sear on both sides on the inside. So we're doing that. Okay, let's see what we can do now. We've got rice. Yay, rice. We've got also Uncle Ben's New Orleans style rice. Yay, or not rice, beans. I can't read. So we got some beans. Get in there, get in there. Doing this one-handed so I can hold the camera. So excuse me. Pardon me, excuse me. We'll dump in some freshly grilled sausage from the Lean Mean grilling machine. Okay, we got that done. And we have I think it's a Griddle, I don't know. So we'll stir it up. Hold on, let me stir it up. Okay, I stirred it, and I found the beans to be rather lacking. There weren't enough. But let's see what it tastes like. And also, Griddle's terrible for mixing this. It's not bad though. Might work around the campfire, maybe. I'm probably gonna add some more beans and then eat something. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking, following, subscribing, sharing, blah, blah, blah. Most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye! But wait, there's more. I found some of this hiding in the back of the cabinet. It's perfect. Yes, it was lazy and it was easy. And it's something you could do camping. And I'm happy. So, thanks for watching. And goodbye again. Goodbye!